Hey guys, and welcome to Simi Secrets. Today's topic of discussion is how to use the 17-second rule by Abraham Hicks to manifest anything that you want. Girl, if you want that new car, that new handbag, boy, if you want a soulmate or some money, stay tuned to this video and I'm going to teach you guys step by step how to use the 17-second rule to visualize and manifest your perfect dream life. So guys, a lot of people don't know about visualization. So let's take it right back to the basics. What is visualization and why is it for 17 seconds? So a very famous motivational law of attraction influencer called Abraham Hicks talks about the law of attraction and the 17-second rule to manifesting. So what do I mean by visualizing for 17 seconds? It literally means pure focus, pure dedication to a range of focused thoughts with the intent of visualizing something that is focused so that you can manifest it into your current reality. So what can you manifest using the 17-second rule? As I said guys, you can literally manifest anything that you want. I've manifested new jobs, relationships, dating specific people, text messages, phone calls. You can check out my talking about phone calls and text messages once again, right on cue. Did you hear the buzz? I need to really put that on silent, but yeah. So you can literally manifest anything that you want. If you want a specific soulmate, check out the link below. If you want a specific phone call or text message, once again, check out my other videos on this. But we're going to focus today on a pure 17-second visualization. Okay guys, so let's talk about how to visualize for 17 seconds. It sounds really basic, like, okay Simi, you just literally sit there for 17 seconds and you meditate and that's it. Girl, boy, whoever I'm talking to right now, guys, for you to visualize anything that you want, number one, focus on your intent. So you need to focus on what is it that you want, and please guys, do it one step at a time. Visualize one thing at a time. If you start mixing up your visualizations or manifesting different things or trying to manifest this soulmate, this date, this new job, this amount of money, it all gets mixed up. Yeah, you can manifest numerous things. However, it's better to be more consistent and focus on one true thing that you really want. What is it? Is it a new job? Is it new friends? Is it someone you want to date? Is it a new car? What is it? What does your heart desire? What can change your life? What do you want to manifest? So now that you've figured out exactly what you want to manifest, set that intent very, very clear. Say it out loud to yourself. I want to manifest a new job. I want to manifest a new soulmate. I want to manifest an extra £1,000 per month. I want to manifest a date with this sexy ass person. What do you want to manifest? Say it out loud to yourself. And if you're in a busy area and you don't want to say it out loud, guys, what do I always tell you guys about calm spaces? Go into a calm space and really focus and decide on your intent and what you want to visualize and manifest into your reality. Okay, so now that you have your intent clear, you know exactly what it is that you want to manifest, let's move on to step 2. So I always talk about this. Go into a calm space. Go into your car, your bedroom, a library, wherever it is. Go outside. Go into a calm space. Guys, I'm sure you can find a calm space for 17 seconds. Like, come on. Be adventurous if you want, but just go into somewhere where it is quiet, guys. Quiet, peace, tranquility. Somewhere really nice where you just feel like you're at home. go somewhere quiet. Step number 3 to your 17-second visualization in order to manifest something amazing, a miracle into your life. And talking about miracle, guys, I've done a full guided miracle meditation. Go check that out, and the link is also below. Step number 3, you've done your intent and you've gone into a calm space. Number 3 is focus on getting your energy high. Now, a lot of people can struggle with getting their energy high. And the reason why is because we become so consumed, so depressed, so upset, so heartbroken. We lose faith in this lifetime. Like, in this world, it is so easy to sit there upset, to sit there having a low mood, to let life beat you down. It doesn't matter what situation you're in, doesn't matter how much you're struggling. Take every little struggle, all that negative energy boiling up in you, and put it into this visualization. Take the fear that you have of not getting a new job, the fear of not getting a dream relationship. Take all that negative energy, breathe it out. Just like breathe it all out. Get your energy high. Breathe out all that negative energy, guys, and just breathe. Focus on your breath, and the more you're focusing on breath work, the more you're becoming calm and you're about to get into your visualization. And people really don't want me to make this video today, so maybe I manifested a phone call. Let me go check it. So guys, number 3 is really focusing on getting rid of all that negative energy, and just focus on breath work until you feel a sense of peace, and until you feel like all of that confusion, all of your heartache you might be going through, the pain of a job loss, friendships breaking up with you, not getting the dream job that you want, until you feel a sense of calmness or peace within, and you feel like that monkey mind, which I talk about in my meditation video on how to meditate for beginners, until you feel like your monkey mind and all those 1,000,000 thoughts per hour are just at a bliss. You cannot visualize. You need to control your thoughts, controlling your mind. It doesn't have to be controlled to the extent where negative thoughts don't pop up, but for the next 17 seconds, we're not focusing on the heartbreak, the toxic ex, the abusive friend, the job loss, the money that's not there, the car that's not there. For the next 17 seconds, my lovely darlings, we're focusing on you and what you want, the amazing life, this specific thing that you want to visualize. We're focusing on you. None of that past matters right now within these 17 seconds. It is all about that amazing, beautiful thing that you can almost touch. It's all about that. Okay guys, so now that you have a clearer mind, your energy is naturally increasing and you have a higher vibrational frequency, because once again, you've really calmed your energy down, you've calmed yourself down, and you've let go of all the negativity and fear that is consuming you. And now that you're more mindful of your thoughts, you're going to do something that's a bit different. I want you guys to think of something that really puts you in a high energy state, a high vibe. I'm sure you can think of one memory, baby, one memory, baby cakes, one memory. I'm sure you can think of one memory that makes you feel like you are alive. It makes you have high energy. It makes you feel absolutely amazing. So, my memory is when I was with Oso City and I was watching a dream influencer, someone who I look up to as a role model, who has millions of views on YouTube. Go check out my How to Manifest a Celebrity Influencer video. That moment where I was literally at Piccadilly Circus in London, watching someone who I look up to perform in front of me, guys, that's a moment of a lifetime. I'll never forget that. So pick one moment. Some of my clients who are life coach via email or via FaceTime, they say to me that their moment is something that really helps them. It can be just like making your grandparents smile. Like, sometimes people think so deeply into what's my moment, what's my moment. So I tell my clients, think of one thing that really shifts your energy and makes you happy, makes you feel alive again. It can even be like just sitting downstairs watching TV with your family. Like, what makes you feel like you're alive? It can be going in the gym and knowing that you smashed a full set, a full workout. Now you have thought about something that puts you in a high energy state. Once again, you're naturally boosting your energy levels up to get prepared for this 17-second visualization. Tip number 5. Let's go on to the 17-second visualization. So 17-second visualizations entail you getting your phone, getting this bad boy, put your alarm on for 17 seconds, okay? So let me do this with you guys. Put your timer on for 17 seconds. And now within these 17 seconds, before you press start, you are going to literally sit there in complete silence, and you're going to focus on the exact thought that you want. So go back to the intent. So before I start the timer and before we do this together within this video, I want you guys to, number 1, focus on your intent. Focus on one thing at a time that you want. Focus on how it makes you feel. How would it make you feel to receive it? The energy behind the visualization is so important to connect with the universe. So focus on, what does it feel like? What does it look like? If it's a person. Okay, let me give you examples just to make it a bit more clearer. If you want to manifest a date with someone, focus on the specific person or a generalized person, the type of person you want, looks wise. Focus on the dates that you would go on. Focus on the personality traits that you like. If it's a new job, focus on the income that you want, the location that you want, how it would make you feel to go into the office. If it's manifesting more money, actually hold money in your hand. Focus on how it feels to get more money, roughly the amount that you want, and focus on ways that you may be able to get that money more practically to make it more realistic. So guys, I hope you get the gist of how to kind of do this visualization. It's all about thinking of what you want, something realistic that your subconscious will actually believe that you can manifest. Focus on how it would feel for your manifestation to come true, and you need to visualize within your head. Visualize seeing yourself already having it, acting as if. Woo, guys, that is a lot to take in. Let it sink in, and I'm about to set the timer. So let's do the visualization. I'm going to set the timer for 17 seconds. So before we start, I want you guys to close your eyes, hear the silence, and let's start the 17-second visualization. Let's visualize together exactly what we want and add emotions. I can't even stop the timer. Guys, your visualization is on its way. You've done your 17-second visualization. Let go of the thought. Do not contradict your thought. Do not think it's not going to happen. Let it go. Focus on that thought purely. No other thoughts, negative thoughts, can come in your mind within that 17-second focus, okay? The 17-second rule. Now, top tips, absolute top tips and things to remember when you're doing a 17-second visualization. Don't contradict yourself. Don't let any negative thoughts come in your way. And as soon as you open your eyes after you hear the lovely alarm sound, do not focus on what you want to manifest again. Let go of those thoughts. Let go of the fear and the attachment that it's not going to come. How do you let go of the attachment? Go gym. Go talk to your friends. Go swipe on whatever you want. Go on your dating apps. Go talk to your boyfriend. Go talk to your girlfriend. Whatever it is you need to do, go and do it and completely forget about the fact that you just done that 17-second visualization. And wait for the universe to change your life. The 17-second rule, known by Abraham Hicks, is as simple as that. And now, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If this video resonated with you, hit the subscribe button. Please like, share, and also check out my other videos. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.